of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire in darkest night. You are close like no other. I've known you as a father.